Good afternoon. And again, this is Gannett Gittins Roberts with Caribbean American Passport News Magazine. And I am joined by Maxine from JN Money. Maxine, am I saying it?
Correct.
All right.
Yes, you are.
Right.
Yes.
And so I like this because basically, once you're thinking about sending money to Jamaica, you need to be thinking about JN Money. Simple as that.
That's right.
All
Yes,
right.
simple as that.
So tell us a bit about what, well, for those who are not aware, because these interviews are going to be staggered one on top of another, but we're talking about an event that's coming up in Central Florida, Access Jamaica, and JN Money is going to be one of those people who are going to be on site. So as we think of Access in Jamaica, we're thinking about passport services, we're thinking about the tax offices, but we're also thinking about sending money home to do business.
Getting that, exactly.
So, Maxine, tell us a bit about JN Money.
Okay, so JN Money is a part of the JN Group, formerly known as Jamaica National Building Society, and we are the remittance arm of the group, and we are here in the US, licensed in 9 states along the eastern seaboard, and we are here to facilitate any financial transactions that you here in the diaspora would like to do back home. So you want to pay your bills, you want to save, you want to help out your friends and family, we are here to serve the community. We have been here for over 30 years now. So, we have been growing with the diaspora for a very long time. So we want persons to know, don't think we just come up overnight. No. We've been here for a while. We've grown with the community. We've supported the community. Absolutely. And us joining in with this amazing event is just another way of us saying, guys, we're here to serve you and we're here to support you.
So break it down for someone who actually needs to use the service. I know, okay, those who understand what remittances are, it's sending money home. And you've told me you guys have a very competitive exchange rate. So you'll get best bang for your buck using JN Money for that, right? Are you hearing me?
No, we do have, yes, I'm hearing you. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you now.
Okay, so as you know, there are a number of competitors out there, and usually when you talk about remittance, you talk about sending money to somebody go and collect and go about their business. Well, we like to think of ourselves more of a financial solutions for persons who are here in the diaspora who wants to take care of business back home. Gone are the days when you would have to send money to a cousin and say, oh, go pay this for me and go pay that for me. But then you have to send all that extra money because now you have to pay for transportation costs. You have to pay for little lunch money. No,
and then you have to hope
gone.
it actually makes
you
it
can
to the
come
source.
into us and you pay your bill.
Yeah, and then
exactly.
You have to actually make sure
now
it actually gets
you pay
there.
your money directly. Yes, and you have to pay, you have to come and you have to top up the phone. So you have to call them now and give directives, and then them have like money to call all sorts of other persons as well. So all those days are gone. You just need to come in and you pay your bills anywhere. JPS, water commission, courts, singer, if you have, alarm, any bill you have, we can facilitate that for you. Insurance, premiums, all that good stuff. You can even pay your land tax through us, we also facilitate going to bank accounts, from any bank account, credit unions, all of those things. And of course, I was mentioning to you earlier that we have something that's unique to us. We've had it for many years now. It continues to be unique to us, and we want to tell persons about it. It's called a JN Money Card. And here's what, it's free. So you don't even have to say, oh, I have to go pay for that. No, it's free. You just go in with your government issued ID and you get the card. It is activated within 24 hours. And you know what, especially since COVID hit and people don't want to stand up in no long line and, want the least amount of interactions with persons, you don't have to worry about anything, because you can use this money card at any ATM and get your money anytime you choose. So you don't have to go join a long bank line. Also, you can use it like a debit card. So you can swipe it at any point of sale to do your business if you don't want to walk around with that cash. So we want persons to know about that. Tell your recipients to go get that money card, because it is so convenient. And guess what? To send to the card, it is so affordable. The fee is very, very minimal. One of the questions I get a lot is, also, do I have to pay anything on the other end? No. Once you come into a JN location here and you pay the fee to send that money, nobody going to charge you any money again. You
That's
don't
good.
have to, you don't have to worry about that. And like I mentioned, we are here to serve the community. So we want to make sure that whatever we do is always in the best interest of our customers. So we always try to give the very, very best exchange rate that's available. And like I said, fees minimal. So it is very cost effective. And I know one of the things we hardly talk about sometimes are when people travel, them tend to think that if them travel with the dollars down there, them going to get a better rate.
Yeah.
I want to educate a lot of people that is not so. One of the best rates you can get is to send your money down through the remittance and then go pick it up down there. That's one of the best exchange rates you're going to get. And like you just said, you always want the best bang for your buck. So yes, a lot of people too. And let me mention, it's tax season. Believe it or not, people send money home when them get their little tax return. You remember when stimulus money was paying out?
Yes.
A lot of it ended up in Jamaica,
Okay.
When it's the same thing with the tax returns, a lot of it end up in Jamaica. So we want people to know that when you're sending your money back home, when you're sending that tax return home, remember it's your hard-earned money. Come and do it through JN Money. We are here. And I want to go on to mention that we have branch locations in Broward County, Florida. We have 4 branch locations, one in Lauderdale Lakes, one in Lauderhill, one in Sunrise, and one down in Miramar.
I'm familiar with the South Florida locations. And I think a lot of people are. Anywhere else in Florida?
Yes. Oh, but we have agents. Apart from the branch locations, we have agents. And we have agents as far as from the Panhandle, New Image, up in the Panama City, all the way down to Packages and more, down in South Miami. So we have agents all across. We have agents over in St. Petersburg. We have agents in Port St. Lucie. We have an agent in Orlando. We have agent in Kissimmee. We have so we are all over Melbourne. We have agents all over. And when you're finished interviewing me, I'm gonna give that toll-free number. And guess what? We have 10 locations. Oh, sorry, not 10. 7 locations up in New York. We have 2 in Brooklyn. We have 2 in Queens. 2 in Bronx. So any borough you're in, you can access us. Nice. And for those people who are over in Hartford, Connecticut, we have a branch location over there as well. And like I said, we are all the way all along the Eastern Seaboard. So from up Gemini, up in Boston, Massachusetts, we have agents. And people who are going to be listening to this program will also say, oh, how can I get more information? I want to tell you about our online service. We have JN Money Online. So you go to jnmoneyonline.com and you can do a number of things there. You can get information about us. You can get information on our agents. And guess what? If you register on our online portal, you can send money on our online portal as well. And once you register, we have a slogan, as your quintet reach. So you
Yeah.
don't have to worry about your money being held up anywhere. Okay.
Wow.
Once you transmit those funds, it gets to where it needs to go very quickly. We don't hold back. We don't hold on to anything. And, even though we have a very vigilant compliance department, that is why we are able to make sure that our system is set up in such a way that we make it easy and convenient for our customers.
Wow. I mean, this is now, you guys are modern, you've moved with the times. There is no Jamaican anywhere in the US or probably anywhere in the world that should have a complaint about doing business back home. And I guess that essentially is the message that you're coming to Access Jamaica to share with those who may not,
Yes.
right?
Yes. And I know at Access, we are going to encounter one or two people who are non-Jamaicans. And, we are willing to answer those questions. We might not be where you are. We may not be able to assist you right away, but, we are a growing company. We're expanding. So we want people to know about us. So when we reach your shores, the place you're going to come to is JN Money.
So let me ask you though, but because in an earlier interview, we were talking about, those who are actually interested in doing business in Jamaica. And so we learned about the tax, the TRN number that they would have to get. So if someone is interested in doing business in Jamaica, then JN Money still stands to serve them. Am I correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, that is so. And a lot of persons who are using our service here also think they need to have a bank account with us. No, you don't. You don't need to have a bank account with us. You just need to come in with your government issued ID, and we will do whatever business you need to transact. So no, you don't have to be a member of the JN Bank or the JN Group to come in and do business with us. We are here to serve everybody, whether or not you join our bank. We're here for you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Maxine, give us the website again. And after this, I will drop it into the link, but please give us the website again, because
all right,
again, people could do business around the world with JN Money.
Yes, so remember, we are jnmoneyonline.com, and my toll-free number, 1-866-735-6002. So drop that one in the link as well, or toll-free number, 1-866-735-6002. Yes.
Thank you so much. I know that you took special time to be with us today, and we really appreciate it because it's such good information.
Thank you too. Thank you so much for having me.
And I'll see you next week. You're coming up. You're coming?
Yes, I will be there. Right. Yes.
So we will meet in Orlando.
All righty then. You take care until then.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.